Yo, what up guys, it's Cinou here and welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys 3 editing tricks that you can do on KineMaster that's probably going to make your editing way better. I'm making this series for the people that trying to make their edits on KineMaster better. So if you are trying to improve your skills on KineMaster, definitely go ahead and leave a like on this video and let me know what you think in the comment section below. And if you have any idea for the next video on KineMaster, be sure to go ahead and comment down below. Now, with that being said, let's get started on this video. Alright, so you guys know me, I love to put a lot of effects on my YouTube videos, and recently I've been doing the, without watermark. Yeah, that effect, you guys seem to love it, and you always ask me in the comments, how do I do that? So yeah, basically I do that on KineMaster. I still edit all of my videos on Android, so anything you ask me is actually done on Android. So KineMaster actually allow you to do so many effects, but people just don't know how to use them. So if you go to layers and hit on effects, as you can see, well, if you never actually went here, you're only gonna find basic effects, but I actually have other effects. How do you get them? Basically scroll down and you're gonna see get more. So if you press on that, you're gonna find KineMaster store, and there is a lot of effects right over here, and you can actually check them out. There are so many different, and each effect does a different thing. It really depends on what are you guys looking for, and the store might have some problems. It might sometimes say you lost connection even though you still have connection, but don't worry, everything will be fixed in future updates. And by the way, you need to have the latest KineMaster update, so if you guys don't have that, the link is going to be in the description below. Download that and you can actually apply any effects. For example, this is the ripple effect, which is the effect that I was talking about. As you can see, if you apply it to the screen, everything will look like it's actually underwater, which is actually pretty dope. You can change where the effect is going to be affecting, so I'm going to just put it on this water right over here, and as you can see, I added more waves into the water, which is absolutely dope. And there's a lot of effects that KineMaster actually allow you to do. For example, this one right over here, you just have to play with them and toy around to find out which one you are actually looking for. Okay, this one is actually pretty crazy. Okay, so the next effect is what I call the delay animation. So as you can see, I have this white background. I'm going to be adding any background, for example, this color. You can actually go ahead and crop it and put it what size you want. So I'm just going to crop it just like this. I have a really slim rectangle, and if you go ahead and press on that, and you can actually go ahead and just add an in animation into it. For example, let's go with enter slide left, and for the out animation I'm going to go for exit slide maybe right. So let's go ahead and just press on that, which is right over here, and as you can see, I can actually also change the timing to 1.5, and we will have something like this. Now to spice it up, you can go ahead and press on that and hit duplicate this layer, and you can duplicate it 3 times, and then you can actually change the color of these backgrounds and make sure each background have a different color. So now I have yellow, pink, and blue, and basically right now, if you play the video, it's going to be really boring. Nothing is actually happening, nothing special is going on. So to make this animation look better, we are going to cut each background from the beginning just like this, and we are going to make a staircase form, and as you can see, just like that, we have this animation look way better. And you can actually just add a text if you want. For example, I have a photograph right over here, it's the text, and you can actually put it right over here, and you can add an in animation to it too, and you can crop it in the beginning, and you can just also play around with the out animation and in animation timing. And if you actually get everything right, you're gonna have something like this. How dope does this look like? You can actually present so many things, and for the out animation you can also do the exact same thing that we did, and we are going to crop the backgrounds from the ending this time, and we are going to do the staircase form just like this. And if we play the video right now, and you can actually see it looks like a staircase in the in the beginning. So this is the strategy. If you play the video now, as you can see, the animations will look so perfect, and everything will line up together and create this really smooth animation. You can actually create intros with it, you can put transitions, do anything with it. Okay, so the next effect, which we call masking, and a lot of people use so many advanced softwares on PC to do this effect, but you can actually fake this effect on Android too using KineMaster. You can press on your clip, and press on those three buttons and hit duplicate as a layer. And if you press on that, you're gonna have a layer of the footage that you have. So now go ahead and hit on this split screen and choose this split screen, which is just below the off. And you can actually go ahead and line up this rectangle with something like a straight line. For example, now I have this horizontal line right over here, which is the horizon basically. And now let's go ahead and just import anything from our library. I have this Fortnite skin right over here. I mean, it's pretty random choice, but you can choose whatever you guys want to choose. So now, as you can see, if you go ahead and just put it whatever you want, and then go and press on those three buttons right there and hit on send to back, as you can see, now we have our character basically behind the sea. So you can just play with this effect and you can just make him maybe rise up just like the sun, or do anything you want with it. So as you can see, this is actually a pretty dope thing that you can actually do. However, you need to be lucky. Your footage need to have like a straight line. For example, this footage right here, or maybe you're gonna have like a wall or anything. So yeah, this is the masking effect, and you can do so many stuff with it. You can be as creative as you want. For example, as you can see, I just imported this text which says sunset, and you can just put it in the back, and as you can see, you can just make it rise up just like the sun or anything. So many YouTubers, for example, Casey Neistat, which is like he's like the biggest vlogging YouTuber and the most successful one right there, and he uses this effect, and he uses like Premiere Pro or something on PC, and you can actually mimic that and make it look like it was done just by using KineMaster, which is absolutely dope. So this is another effect. I hope you guys found today's effects helpful. If you guys would like me to do any other effect on KineMaster that you guys saw in other videos, be sure to go ahead and comment that in the description below. I will make sure to do a video on that. So if you guys found today's video helpful, be sure to go ahead and like this video, and also comment down below anything you want me to do in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.